In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an online course platform using Systeme.io. This platform is a fantastic tool that allows you to organize and deliver your courses with ease. Getting started is quick and straightforward, so let's dive right into it. The first thing you'll want to do is access your Systeme.io dashboard. Open up your web browser and navigate to Systeme.io dashboard/n/login. Once you reach the login page, you'll need to enter your login email and password. Make sure you double check your credentials to avoid any login issues and click on the sign in button. After successfully logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now locate the courses section within the dashboard. To get there, hover over the assets tab in the menu. You should see the courses option appear. Go ahead and click on it and it will take you to the area where you can manage your existing courses or create new ones. This section is crucial as it will be the heart of your course development. Here comes the exciting part, adding a new course. You'll see an option that says add a new course. Click on this and a form will pop up. This is where you'll define some initial details about your course. Start by typing in a suitable name for your course. Remember, the name should be both descriptive and engaging to attract potential students. You'll also need to provide an extension name for the URL path where your course will be hosted. Choose wisely as this will be part of your course's unique web address. Then select your preferred course template from the available options. Systeme.io offers a range of templates to suit different course styles, so pick one that best aligns with your course's goals. Once you're happy with the information you've entered, click on Save. This action captures your course details and adds it to your course list. Now it's time to really structure your course content. Begin by clicking on the name of the course you just created. This will open the course details page. Here you can start by creating modules. Think of modules as the broad chapters or sections of your course. Each module can then contain detailed lessons. As you're building this, consider incorporating various content formats such as video lectures, text lessons, downloadable PDFs, quizzes, and assignments. This variety keeps the course engaging and accommodates different learning styles. Organize these lessons in a logical sequence to facilitate smooth and effective learning for your students. Remember, a clear flow helps students follow along more easily and enhances their learning experience. That's it. You've just learned how to set up an online course platform on Systeme.io. With this powerful tool, you can share your knowledge with the world in a structured, professional manner. Thank you for watching and happy teaching.